Zebra.
No.
No, it's okay. You got it. Oh, you have a boo-boo? Uh-oh. Can you kiss it? Oh, you're going to kiss it. Is it all better?
Yeah.
Okay. What next piece are you going to get? Is that for the lamb? Come put the piece in the puzzle, Lakin. Where's the lamb?
Yeah.
Okay, put it in. Good girl. And do you remember what a lamb says? Do you remember what a lamb says?
Uh-oh. Look it.
No, it's fine. You got it. What does the lamb say, Lakin?
Bah.
Yeah.
Hippo.
Hippo. Where does the hippo go?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, put it in.
What?
Oh, a hippo says rawr? Good girl. Give me 5, smarty pants. Okay, what's next? Oh, is that part of the giraffe? Where's the giraffe? Good girl. You're good at this.
Here.
Okay, where's the next piece? Okay, what is it? Okay.
Oh, did it.
Where's your next piece, Lakin? Oh, is that the goat? Where's the goat? Yeah. But you know what? I don't think this one's the goat. I think just this one. This one's the elephant. Can you put this where the elephant goes? Okay. Okay, get another piece. What's that piece, Lakin? Are you going to put the piece in the puzzle?
Okay.
Okay, put it in. What piece is that? Is that for the birdie? Good job. No, that's right. Put it back. You had it right. Good girl. What's next? Next piece? Are you done with the puzzle? You want to dance? Show Mommy how you dance. Who's there?
Hello.
Hello. Who is it? Okay, say bye-bye to the camera.